Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my March Birchbox unboxing to share with you. So let's go ahead and see what we got. And I actually kind of cheated a little bit this month and I got the curated box that they had because there's a thickening spray in here that I'm really interested in giving a try. So I already know what I'm getting, but I still wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. This is what the box looks like. It even has a little cute dandelion in here on the back, and it says, "Finally spring. While winter offered us plenty of time to dream and plan, we're quickly awakened by how much change is happening all around us. It's no coincidence that spring's arrival and the promise of a new day coincides with Women's History Month, which is a time to honor women's contributions to culture and society. As a company, we're energized by you, our community of bright and bold women, whose voices, various perspectives, and personal stories move us and drive us forward. Collectively, let's continue to clear the clutter, break new ground, and reach for the sun." The first thing that we have is the Smashbox Instamatte Lipstick Transformer Gel. And it's supposed to be something that you put over your lipstick to mattify it. So it says here that the full size is $24. It says, "Give some of your lipsticks a brand new identity by applying this product generously over any cream lip color to transform it into a matte finish. P.S. Avoid using it with glosses, lacquers, or balms." And it looks like that is a 5 milliliter size they gave us. And then next we have by Model Co. their Luxe Cream Long Wear Lipstick. And it's in the shade Sienna. And there's what that looks like. It's a pretty shade. Here's a quick swatch of it. It says the full size trio, so I'm guessing it comes in a set of 3, but we just got one here, is $18. It says, "Swipe this creamy deep rose shade, available as part of an exclusive trio on Birchbox.com, across your lips for long-lasting rich pigment that stays put all day. Wear alone or try topping it with the Smashbox Instamatte Lipstick Transformer for a shine-free finish." So that's cool. They gave us a lipstick that we can use the transformer with. And then next is the thickening spray I mentioned that I chose the curated box to try. It's by Bubble & Bubble. It's their thickening spray pre-styler, and it's a 1 ounce size. It says the full size is $30. Give your blowout some major bounce with this styling spray that lifts and builds body. Spritz onto damp strands before blow drying for added heat protection and a light touchable hold. And then next we have by Kiehl's their Midnight Recovery Eye Cream. It's a 0.1 fluid ounce, so it is a smaller sample, but I heard Kathleen likes to talk a lot about this, so I wanted to give it a try for a while, but it is kind of expensive without knowing if you'll actually like it, so I really love getting the samples to try it before I buy it. It says the full size is $37. This Wonder Eye treatment contains lavender oil to minimize lines and diminish dark circles, butcher's broom to reduce under-eye puffiness, and squalene, may not be saying that right, to keep the area hydrated. Before bed, pat 2 drops under eyes. And last we have by Embryolisse, I think is how you say it. It's their Le Creme Concentrate. I think that's how you say it. It looks like it's in a different language. It's a multi-function nourishing moisturizer in 5 milliliter size. It comes in a little box here. And then here's the little tube that it comes in. It says the full size is $16 to $28, so I'm guessing they have different sizes. It says a customer fave, this French-born moisturizer not only heals dryness, but it also preps skin for makeup application. Works as a makeup remover and can be used to calm post-shave irritation. Okay, So it seems to be kind of a multifunction moisturizer, and if you're shaving your face, it can help with that as well. That's all I got in this month's Birchbox, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment and let me know what you got in your box. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so before you leave. And thank you for watching. Bye.